Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can charge your GoPro. So make sure to stick with me till the end. There are basically two ways on how you can charge it. So let me just go ahead and show you. First of all, if you had an external case, make sure to remove it from the case. Once you've done that, the first way to basically charge it is through a USB cable. So you can see the Type-C cable which I have right over here, and in order to plug it in on the right hand side or on the left hand side of this camera, you'll be able to see this little rectangular icon. All you have to do is, in order to pull out the charging port, all you have to do is press and hold on this rectangular box and then pull it out. As soon as you do that, the lock is going to be successfully removed. As you can see, we currently have two USB ports. The one is the HDMI one, and the other one is if you want to charge your GoPro, you have to plug in a Type-C charger. So go ahead and plug it in right into this Type-C box right over here, which you see. As you plug in your Type-C, there is usually going to be an indicator on your GoPro. This red blink right over here, which you see, is an indicator that your GoPro is currently charging. Now let's say that you have an external charger. In that case, you can simply remove your battery and then only charge your battery. So in order to do that, what you can do is we can pull out the battery, but again repeating the same steps, such as pressing on it and pulling it out and removing the lock. Once done, you can see our GoPro battery right over here. You can simply open this up and then connect it to your charger and then charge it. But usually the similar process is that you can simply do it with the help of a cable without having to open up your battery. As I said earlier, remove the lock and then plug in the USB charger. And this is how you can charge your GoPro Hero back. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.